Zeal Education Society, redefining excellence.
Hi everyone, I am Arsul Shivanjali Vilas from J Division, Class FE, IT Department.
Everybody, my name is Prema Kluska.
Myself, Atharva Aglave.
Myself, Manoj Thomre.
We are from Zeal College of Engineering and Research. Our project is Modern Periodic Table using C. The project have been guided by Professor Lakshmi Pawar ma'am. We are doing this project under the project based learning activity. The periodic table is a listing of all the known elements. We know that the elements are organized by atomic number and their chemical properties. Groups. Groups is a simply a vertical column and periods are the horizontal rows. We know that there are the 7 periods and 18 numbered columns. Here we can see the alkali metals, alkaline earth metals, transition metals, other metals and non-metals, halogen, noble gases. We know that the elements can be classified into 3 groups, which is metals, non-metals and metallites. Here we see the position of metals, non-metals and metallites. Now let's see the code of modern periodic table. In this modern periodic table, we follow the concept of increasing atomic number. It means we arrange the elements in increasing order of their atomic number. Now let's see the output. Here we search by atomic number, atomic symbol, atomic name, atomic weight. So here I put 1. Here we ask to enter the atomic number which we want to search for. So I put 2. We get the output. We put 2 atomic numbers, so atomic symbol is He, atomic name helium, atomic weight 4.00, block P, metallic property non-metal. The application of this periodic table is to provide the useful framework for analyzing chemical reaction and continues to be widely used in chemistry, nuclear physics and other science. Thank you so much FE IT Department, Zeal College of Engineering and Research for giving this opportunity.
Zeal Education Society, redefining excellence.